How am I doing? I'm doing good. I'm doing good. How are you guys doing? Oh, white. I still wanted to crack that. Ah, let's do that another time. X, thanks for the follow. Let's look for a room. I don't have that much time today. Let's see what we can do. So apparently there's a new SQL one out. Let's see what this is. There's a full walkthrough. Should we do a walkthrough? So I'm gonna do this either way. Because I need to do SQL. But the other one looked interesting too. Hello? There we go. How are you doing, chat? What is this? This is more black boxy. How long did it... Whoa. Why is this part taking so long? Oh no, these are only a few minutes, okay. Wait, so this took 20 minutes? Why? Ah, let's try this. The SQL one looks a bit... Wait, are we allowed to stream this? Wait. 27 days. Ooh. I don't think I should stream this yet. Why am I on YouTube? Just because we wanted to have a broader deployment of the stream, I guess. So people can watch on YouTube if they have, they prefer watching it there. Sometimes the connection there is better for some people on mobile and stuff. So yeah. Also, you find the stream uploaded, the VODs for the stream now on Twitch or on YouTube, so you can watch them where you want. Usually it's fine. Thanks. How are you doing, Optional? Yeah, usually they white it, yeah, but no one votes. Wait, let me check if white up's out. Okay, white up's out. It's fine. White up's out. Okay. Whatever. What is this song? Can I give this a thumbs down? Yeah, that's a bit... You know what? Because Optional is here, I'm gonna play the metal playlist. I have no idea what's in here. What pretzel is suggesting me? Let's see. Whew. Cymax, just for you, we enabled YouTube now, and now you're watching here on Twitch. I mean, I love it, but you're confusing me. Wait, let me check out. Oh, by the way, I'm trying to get my hands on one of the Raspberry Pis so can do something on stream. Maybe code something, I don't know. Ash Fox. Where's my... Look! We have 1080p! 1080p! It's amazing. I upscaled it a bit. Not upscaled it, I fiddled around with the transcoding. Yeah, and apparently you can write Rust for the new Raspberry Pi, so that's gonna be fun. The Twitch soundtrack plugin. I have this. Wait. Why is my PC so slow? Twitch. Soundtrack by Twitch, yeah. Sometimes we play music on here. So I can take out the music with that. I didn't know that it's filtering. Interesting. We might use that then next time. Yeah. Okay, cool. I like Pretzel too though. They have a bit more music right now. What is Pentest WS? It's a website for a bunch of different things. So mostly it's for your general pentest notes, writing everything down. So what you do is, wait, give me a quick overview. We don't have that much time, so I'm gonna do it a bit quicker. The idea is to create for every network, every engagement, one of those mission control thingies. So for example, I moved all my TryHackMe rooms in here, so they're all together. It's not really for TryHackMe, but I use it for it. Yeah, and then you add your host. So you add your host, you can import your nmap scans, you can have shell scripts in here, bookmarks, tools, everything quick in one place. So I have scripts here, upgrading shells, so stuff I know, but that just quicker. You can upload stuff if you want, you can upload your own stuff. There's also a paid version. I don't know really the difference, but I like this. Wait, you're gonna see it. I'm not gonna show you one, you're gonna see it. We're gonna do a scan of the machine. And I'm gonna show you how we import the nmap scan. Yeah, this music is not better. Okay. And that's not metal. I got bamboozled. Okay, I know a lot of people don't like this music, but at least you can turn it off later. This has Crystal Lake as the first band in the playlist from Ammunition. It's one of my favorite bands right now. I love Crystal Lake. So we're gonna pog it up a bit. So our nmap or threader scan came back. I'm gonna do you can send that then to nmap, which I'm gonna do, and that gives me an output or a few files. And I'm gonna take the XML file and upload that to this pentest WS site. I'm gonna run that. Let me see, where is the... Nope, that's not what I wanted to do. Where's the import thingy that I'm looking for? Oh, here, plus. Add host. Oh, no, this is one is the right one. Export XML. So here you can usually either manually add a host. Let me turn down the music a bit. It's for you, its owners. Yeah, right. Well, here's the thing though. I mean, if they want to use my notes, joke is on them. I mean, have you ever seen my notes on those machines? I mean, you can try. It's that. Oh, by the way, if you want to chat, no, we have I have a new chat window. So I see YouTube chat and Twitch chat. So no worries, you are not excluded if you're on YouTube. Okay, so the scan is back. I mean, I'm not gonna disagree with that. So we have our scan here. I'm gonna export the XML. Is there a reason why? Oh. Let me see. We are on Cyborg. Take the XML, import it. No, you're only you are only allowed, or you're only prohibited to stream on multiple platforms at the same time if you are a partner on Twitch. I'm not partnered. I'm affiliate. For partner, I would need... I have everything. Wait, I can show you this. Give me a second. Give me a second. I'm gonna get some Twitch insights here, chat. Right there. Kvara. Thank you so much for the follow. You guys have complicated names today. Let's play something chill. Some electronic. Okay, really quick, I'm gonna show you this and then I'm gonna stick with the room because it's actually pretty interesting. So where is that? Insights. Is it analytics? Wait, I can't show you everything, so I need to I need to pay attention. Steam summary. I think it's achievements. Yeah. So here's the partner. So affiliate is basically if you get your sub button and everything, that stuff. So there's a few things that you need to do for affiliate. See here. So reach 50 followers, stream 8 hours, yada yada yada. So we have that. It's great. But if you want to be partner, so I had all of these things. So to stream for 24 hours, that's no problem. Stream on 12 different days. Average 75 viewers. This is where we have the problem, chat. You see this? This is where we have the problem. If we would hit this, so partner would enable me one important thing. I would have better control over the video output basically. So I could offer a broader range of, or a stable resolution. So you have 1080p, 1440, whatever you want. Send me something about the affiliate. Should I check it out later? Okay, so we have the machine in here now. So this is our new machine, right? If you click on it, you see the ports. If you click here, you basically get taken to the page itself. So you see here the ports that it found. Of course, you can import another scan if you prefer that. It's about to restream. I'm not gonna go to jail. Let me check out. Let me see. Okay. I don't want to go to jail. Oh, right. Okay. I think you're right. Okay. Well, let's finish this for today normally, and then I'm gonna think about what to do about the streaming thing in the future, the restreaming thing. I'm gonna figure something out. Yeah. Okay. Ashfox is no, Resta, you're not gonna lose me today. I could name the box if I want, so I'm gonna give it Cyborg or something, just so it's easier to see it. Let's see. So we have the Cyborg machine, 2 ports open, SSH and 80. So I'm gonna stick for a few minutes with the site, and then I'm gonna jump to the machine a bit more. So what is cool here is you have the main page with the nodes, so you can put a bunch of nodes. You have Markdown in here and stuff like that. Editing, you can inline code, whatever. put pictures in there, screenshots in there. So that's the cool part. So you have everything in one place. What I really like is that you can gather the, it's an easy way to put your credentials in here that you found, even with the different services. So it's easy to grab the credential just with one click to copy them. You can also click on here on one port to have a sub page basically. If you only want to take notes about the web server, for example, just special notes about that. Yeah. Other than that, it's a sub page with everything just for that specific port. So even if you put in here the credentials and stuff like that. I like to work on the host page mainly if it's just a small box, but yeah. Yeah, let's see. So we found 20 and 80, nothing too crazy. I haven't checked out the scan too much. Let's go back and do that really quick. So we have Ubuntu apparently, Apache, nothing too crazy, 2418, yada yada yada, okay. Okay, so I would say the first thing we try is we give the web page a visit. Let's see how it looks. Okay, so web page works, nothing too crazy. Let's see if we see something here. Don't think so. Maybe here in the comments, if it's more CTF styly. Nothing that jumps out. So I would say we do a third search scan to enumerate a bit more the web server. So we have our thingy here. Let me think about where's my word list. Oh, it's in tools, I think. Word lists, not word list CTL. Oh no, sec list, web content, no. Discovery, web content, and take this one. So the extensions, HTML, PHP, JS, should be it. Let's do recursive one. Yeah, let's try that. Oh, you guys can't see it. Wait, I'm gonna switch to Windows. Here. Let's make this a bit bigger. So we have already 2 hits, /admin/etc. What about SQL are you learning? Basically everything from scratch. We need to learn how to set up a, not to set up a server. That too, but it's not that important. It's mainly important that we understand and learn how to, if you get a set of data, how to divide it into logical parts, pull relations, do a, I don't know what the English term for this, but like the proper relations between the different datas, like a diagram basically, put it out like a diagram, and then take that data in the second step and put everything in a database and work with it, so like queries and stuff. So yeah, so also we don't get a pre-prepared database, but we need to put everything in there with how do we structure it, what tables do we create, what tables are important, what keys are important, stuff like that. Kid on YouTube, how are you? Hi. Just getting an SQL injection, just bro. I'm pretty sure SQL injection is coming at a later stage of the in my degree. Like there should be like the common OWASP top 10 web attacks and SQL injections, cross-site scripting, that stuff should come later, I'm pretty sure. Back to its mathematical foundations. Well, I don't need to be a data science expert in that regard, but I need to have a fundamental understanding on why we structure a database in a certain way. But the aspect of analyzing something out of it or pull data out of it is more important for us. Because I'm studying forensics and cybercrime and not data analysis or big data stuff. Okay, so this is taking a while. Let's check out those two directories really quick. So we have /admin, probably login port. Oh, this looks all over the place. Okay, let's come back to this. Let's check the other one out. So that was Etsy, interestingly enough. Oh, that's interesting. So we can browse this. So there's a folder in here called Squid. So this seems like this looks like a potential attack vector for a reverse shell later to trigger it. Maybe this could be a backup of the... okay, now now we see why some people are taking a 20-minute break on this machine. Okay. What is, wait, let me make it bigger for you guys. There we go. This looks like a service I don't know, so I'm not sure what Squid is, but this could hint to... a few things. So maybe this is open to us, maybe you can browse this. So there's a directory here. This could also hint to if it's a proper service or something. This could run in the background and maybe have its own account on the machine and have a default password. So this seems to be some kind of authentication here. Let me check out what this is. Linux Squid. Squid Linux. Okay, Squid is a Linux-based proxy application. The Squid proxy server is used for filtering traffic. Squid can speed up web service, so it's a proxy. Okay. Squid default credentials. I don't know. Maybe they are kind of like default credentials or something for the configurations. Maybe it's just configuration files that config file. That's it. So here's the basic Squid config. That seems to look like exactly like ours. More this one. So this seems to be. This is where we are. Yeah, the Squid config. This seems to be exactly the same thing. Okay. Interestingly enough, here they talk about a port, a default port. Here we don't have that. But we seem to be running Squid 2. I don't know, it's Squid 2 exploits. Reverse proxy, Linux remote code execution. Oh, by the way, thanks for the follows. Nertoni and Matty Two Shoes. Thank you so much. Squid 2? Have you done it? Blind Pantest, how are you? So if you're looking into why to get SQL, oh, we are working with. I mean, if you're talking about different versions like MySQL, MariaDB, stuff like that. Which room is this? The room is called Cyborg. I think that's it. Cyborg. Yeah. Since using Kali, do you know how to enable Wi-Fi option? You mean if you use Kali as a VM, like here, you don't have proper Wi-Fi because you don't have a your virtual machine shouldn't recognize your Wi-Fi card, so it's emulating a new network adapter, which is just bridging over your current one. I mean, you can fiddle around a bit with that. But if you want to have Kali and do Wi-Fi attacks, you need an external Wi-Fi card. Give me a second. My nano. I have somewhere a nano for Wi-Fi attacks, but I don't know where it is. But yeah, you can use something like that, I would suggest, if you want to test Wi-Fi attacks, like an alpha card, stuff like that. Or Wi-Fi pineapple, stuff like that, and you get like huge antennas with it, like this. You can connect to it if you want. You just need to make sure that your base system is Kali. Okay. Well, then it should just work. Update everything, and hope that there are some drivers for your network card, basically. If there are no driver for your network card, get one of those antennas. They are like 20-25 bucks on Amazon, and you can just use them as a normal external Wi-Fi card. Because someone needs to provide open source drivers for your Wi-Fi card. If not, it won't be. That's not just specific for Kali, but that's Linux. Or you go full learning mode and you write your own drivers. Depends on you. Okay, let's see. So we have Squid. Can we have something? I just want chill music. Why is it always so weird music? There we go. Okay, so we have the Squid. What? There was something else. Wait, let me check. The password for it. Okay. Okay, for this we have a small problem on this current machine. I don't know how hard this is to crack, but because some people, or some of them, it took them a long while, right? So I'm not sure if, like, this took 0 to 20 minutes, and I assume this is the cracking part. I can't crack in the VM on my, I can't utilize my graphics card or the GPU for cracking. I could do it on the host system, but then I need something specifically installed for that. I'm not sure if it's working. We could try. First of all, I'm gonna save this. So we have that. Also, we found on web server, so if we don't finish the machine, we can come back tomorrow with the notes. So we found Squid. Oh, let's do this. We found Squid and we found Etsy. No, wait, we found Etsy Squid. And we found admin. Yeah. And then for Squid, I'm just gonna add this here. I'm not sure if it's useful, but just as information. I'll just put this here. Okay. Yeah, if it's not working with the upgrade thing, try to get an alpha card. Also, I wouldn't suggest that you install Kali on bare metal if it's not a very specific machine, just only for that. If it's Node laptop, sure, stuff like that. But if it's, yeah, I mean, you can do it, but I would rather do it on an old laptop because oftentimes those things are supported. What's going on? Yeah, the alpha cards are really good though. So the one I have, by the way, check if you can set it in monitor mode because then you can do the Wi-Fi attacks. This one is the AR9271 FOS. So this definitely supports Wi-Fi. If not, Google Kali Linux Wi-Fi monitoring mode cards. There's a null-byte blog post about it. Yeah, the thing is it taking too long? I mean, we can warn John and just see how long it takes. Sure. Let's echo the password in here, or the hash. Wait, do we know what kind of hash it is? What is this? APR1. What is that? This definitely supports Wi-Fi. I meant this definitely supports monitoring mode. That's what I meant to say. Major, how are you? Because a lot of people want those specific Wi-Fi cards that support monitoring mode for Kali Linux to do aircrack NG and stuff like that, and Wi-Fi attacks. And then sometimes they buy maybe from something from the right company, but the chipset doesn't support monitoring mode. What about Wi-Fi adapters? Well, that's basically a Wi-Fi adapter, right? This one. Yeah. There's also a bigger model. Oh, God damn it. Or you just get a... I think this is the easiest solution. But we can... Let me stick with the room for a few minutes and then we can talk about Wi-Fi later if you guys want. We had some cool Wi-Fi streams. You can do that in the future again if you are interested in that kind of stuff. I love doing that. So we found the encryption. This doesn't seem too crazy. I don't think we need to do this on Windows. Actually, let's try this in Hashcat. Let's echo the hash in here. Where do I have it? Here. Let's just take the hash. Hash.txt. And let's do a hashcat. It's a 1600, I think. Hash, and we're gonna use. I have no idea where my work here is. Oops, word list. I think it's in here. Okay. No hash loaded. Oh, you guys can't see this again. Right. I should probably just put it under each other. That would make it much easier. Oops, that's not what I wanted to do. Will this work? Yeah, thanks for pointing that out though. Don't take this as an encouragement to fiddle around with other Wi-Fi's. Exactly. It's good to learn about it though. Okay. So we're attempting to crack this. Oh, that was easy. Okay, so that's probably not the part that takes 20 minutes. So we found the password, Squidward. So we cracked that. So that's for the user music archive. So we're gonna add that here. We don't know the service yet, so maybe we can add that here later. So you password is Squidward, and this was. Wait, let me check. Oh, damn it. Which miss? Oh, good. Chat, what was the username? Music something. Let's do music. I'm gonna change it. Archive. Oh, okay. Can I change this? There we go. I think this is right. Music archive. Okay, so let's do a blind shot. Let's try SSH because SSH is open. Although I don't think it's for SSH. So music archive at this IP. I can't grab this for some reason, so let's take this. Whatever. Doesn't let me select. 10, 10, and also here. Great. Squidward, so you can just click here and then you have it in your clipboard, so it's easier. Doesn't seem to be the password. Let's just double check if I didn't make a mistake with the user. No, music archive. Okay. So it's not the SSH. So let's jump to the admin. So I think we have everything here. So we have the password file. That's basically done. We found the config file. And above that, we are basically in etc, but we can only see this. There was something mentioned about really quick. We might come back to this later if we don't find anything else. There was this one path passwords. Let's see if we can browse this. We cannot. Okay. Just to be sure, was it the same in ours? Pass W. Oh, okay. So this is the file. Okay. So we can browse this. This is basically just this file for that user. So this seems to be music archive seems to be for Squid and for the proxy itself. So maybe we can log in here something because this has to do with music. Why is this so big? Setup. My name is Alex. I'm playing music, albums, admin shoutbox, archive. So albums is not browsable, it seems. There's some chatting between Josh, Adam, and Alex. I'm just gonna copy this. Whoops. That's not what I want to do. Copy. Let's put this in. Actually, let's do it properly. Let's do it like this. Copy. Let's put it in here. So on admin, found shoutbox with following texts. Okay. What's the timeline here? Okay, so it's from the top to the bottom. Are we all going to watch the football game? Absolutely. Hope they win. And then, okay, sorry, I think I messed something up. Was playing around with the squid proxy I mentioned earlier. I decided to give up. I heard these proxy things are supposed to make your website secure. Barely know how to make it insecure in the process. Might pass it over the IT guys. Meantime. Okay, so music archive is mentioned here. Oh, wait. I heard these proxy things are supposed to make your website secure, but I barely know how to use it, so I'm probably making it more insecure in the process. And since I don't know how it works, I'm not sure how to delete them. Hope they don't contain any confidential information. This might refer to what we found. Other than that, I'm pretty sure my backup music archive is safe, just to confirm. Okay. Let's try something. Okay, so that's not a path. I'm thinking about maybe there's a path we haven't found yet. Or maybe there's also something with the ports going on. I would suggest... This is so annoying. This stupid bar. I would suggest that we run a... As soon as this is over, that we run an nmap scan in the background just to see... Maybe this proxying or to a very weird port that we didn't scan. Maybe there's something there. So that's on here. Let's just check if we didn't miss anything. Nope. Doesn't seem like it. But there's an archive. Oh, that's this one. Okay. So if you click download, we get it. Okay. So that's the admins. Albums for some reason doesn't do anything. And the homepage, let's just check the homepage and we check out what's in the archive one. There's probably nothing here. Instruments. Okay. Let's download the archive. Let's see. What is listen? Nothing. Okay, is this linking to something? Nope. Okay, let's download the archive. Actually, we can't do that here. Let's move. What's it called? Archive. Let's move archive to here. Actually, let's move archive 1 up. Or did I move it here? Oh. Whoops. One too much. There we go. Oh, not tar again. I always forget what... Chat, what's the tar command? Please help me. Is it it's not untar, right? Untar Linux. I always forget it. Is it just tar xf? I know there's one with 4 letter combinations with like 4 arguments. I always forget it. It's the GZ one. And Loops, thank you so much for the follow. Welcome to the channel. Yeah, this one. Yeah, that's for the tar GZ. Okay. So we have tar minus xvz. Where's my lead there? Archive. Refusing to read archive content from terminal. Never seen that. I don't know if it's a permission issue or if we need to change like... Interesting. You know what's even better? chat. GUIs. For annoying situations like this, you just use a GUI. Let's see what's going on here. See? Okay. Home field dev. So this seems to be a backup from user field. Use the F. Oh, it's the Z. There we go. Did it. You guys said it right. So the Z was too much and the F was missing. We were both. What is this? Borg backup. Okay. As a key. ID and key. I'm not sure what we're supposed to do with this. What are those files? Permission denied? Interesting. Why? We have no permissions whatsoever on these things. Like, I don't know how we got this. So they have some kind of backup service running for this. I'm not sure why we have this here. So, let me think about this, how this could help. Okay, let's keep that in mind. So they have a backup service running, which is... Okay. Really quick, let me delete this. I don't know why it changed permissions, but I think earlier we had the permissions to read this, so I'm a bit confused. Yeah, so now we have those two. Like if we do an... No, we still don't have them. Okay, let's do it with sudo again. Yeah, let's do that. Oh shit. Where are we? What am I doing here? What are the permissions now? Perfect, okay. I think it's in here. No, they're all on wood. Wait, so just because I use sudo, it's messing up with the... I mean, I should be able to change permissions. Oh, really quick, what I wanted to check out, then let's come back to this. Usually it is a good idea just to check out what they are even just asking from you. Like to guide you slightly. Scan the machine, how many ports open? 2. What service is running on 22 SSH? What's running on port 80? HTTP. Okay, and then user flag, okay. So there's nothing. Okay, I thought maybe... I don't know why these 3 questions are there, but okay. Don't use sudo. Oh, wait, it's messing up with that if you use sudo? Really? Okay. Wait, let me try that. Nope. You get the same thing without sudo. I mean, we can sudo cat it, but I'm not sure what the what kind of thing that should be. Let's explore this a bit. So we have still those credentials, but I mean, it's pretty big. Okay. Probably shouldn't be able to read this. Kia's asking, can anyone explain me what's going on? Currently we're doing a room on TryHackMe, which is a website to learn about hacking and certain techniques and, well, a bit more than just that. So we are trying to compromise this machine, which is running web server, and we downloaded this backup file that we found. But I'm not sure yet what we can find here. So that's currently what we're doing. Yeah. So we're trying to get footholds somehow on this server. Okay, I don't know what that is. That's some hacks. Let's see how this works. So I guess this is inspired by this because this Cyborg, Borg, and this looks Borgy. Seems an idea behind this, what to do. It's probably something what we should. There's a way to I don't want to say uncipher, but to make this readable. Yeah. So it's compressing it. Wait, is there some kind of compression that we have? Maybe we can like undo this. Maybe just quick start or something. And that's what I just. Oh no, it's a bit more. Okay. Step by step. So because we have a backup basically. What is chat saying? Kali user is the owner, you should not need sudo. Kali is no longer the... I mean, you're running Kali now basically as a user, no longer root as the default one. Since a year. That's what you mean. Set up the Borg server last night. Well, here we go. Okay, but this is how I understand it, that this is basically backing up his stuff and compressing it even more. So it's tarred. Use John for cracking? There's nothing to crack here. Because we are not cracking a hash or something in that regard. This just seems to be compressed and yeah, we need to figure out, at least from my understanding, so this is basically double compressed, so once with tar and once with Borg itself. So we untarred it, but Borg still has, saw that hash? We have that cracked, Kusha. The hash is cracked. So I assume this .5 gives it away, right? So Borg, this extension basically. Borg, wait, what is it again? Backup. I want to know if this .5. Ah, no worries, no worries. We found we cracked that with Hashcat. You use whatever you want, Hashcat, John. But yeah, I'm not sure how to combine both right now. I'm not sure what the idea here is. I think we need to do this. Do we need to install this? To interact with that file is my question. We might. Borg can store data in any remote host of SSH when starting a remote host. Big performance gains be achieved. Huh. So they're talking about this key. I'm curious about this key because we have the config file. I think this is basically key. Yeah, I know. But I think this is key for us, so we should be... I don't think we are supposed to have this. Like usually, but... So we might be able to unborg it basically with this. I don't know what this is. Like why there's just some random... The username is music archive and you found a password too? Yeah, but for what service? We don't know the service for... I mean, we don't know what to log in for. Let me just check if there's something else. Actually, no. Let's have a look into this. Borg. Yeah, it encrypts it. Okay, it encrypts it. So it just talks about creating it, but not like... Step-by-step example, archives and repositories, automatic backups, passphrase nodes, backup compression, repository encryption, restoring a backup. the user might be root, some specific user using sudo text kitborg as root, some specific user. A borg backup repository can be either in a local directory, root backup server. I'm pretty sure we don't need to expand this whole thing. I just think we need to like restore the whole backup. I don't think that's the idea. The main goal is probably just to unencrypt this whole thing. The passphrase for the key has been either entered in Borg repo. I mean, we can't write that, but there's no. I don't think there's much to mount here if we don't. Like, is there something with decrypt? Security, quick. If you use encryption or authentication, Borg will interactively ask you for passwords to encrypt, decrypt. Okay, so that could be the music archive thing, which sounds logical. This is just to set it as a... Wait, it takes it as the... Wait, can we just do this? So we set it as the environment variable, and then we just do what? Wait, is this a... This is not encrypted. I don't think we are that far away. Let me see how we can install this. I wanna... we only have 30 minutes left. I have a course in 30 minutes. That's why I'm so annoyed right now. Like, I love just learning about this and checking this out, but I need to jump on my course. I don't want the dependencies, I want a proper... I want pip. You guys say it's in the app repositories? Let's try that. Why isn't it copied? Well, okay, that didn't copy in my machine here. What's it called? Borg backup? Borg backup. Let's just try it. Bypass locking mechanism. Ooh, that sounds fancy. Mount, serve in a check key, manage repository key, change passphrase, extracts, archive contents. Interesting. Borg backup is a tool? Yeah, exactly. It's what I hoped. Just not sure how we... We basically have the credentials. I don't know where to put them. I don't know if we need to set them as the environment variable or not. So it creates a backup. I'm not sure where we start because the... it's basically the starting from the home directory downwards, right? Or recursively downwards. So... we don't need to extract it. Can we just mount it? Oh, that makes sense. Let's just try a bunch of stuff. What is break lock? Actually, let's do that in home. Maybe Borg backup break lock. Oops. Argument repository. Okay, I'm still not sure what that whole repository thing is. That's probably... I would assume that's set up on the machine itself that it is backupping from. We don't have that here. Maybe we need to go in that directory though. Maybe there's... maybe it takes something from here as the repo point. Can we check that somehow? Mount serve init. Let's do check. Okay. It's a good thing that it is asking about a password at least. Oh my god, where is it? There. And I mean... okay. Sure, I take it. I assume you're at least at the right place, so... let's mount that. Question is, where do we mount this? How does the mounting work? Like, do we need to specify where we mount it? Mount point must be a whiteville directory. Okay. Okay. That could be a stupid idea, but let's... no, it's... where should we go first? Let's do the really stupid stuff. It always works. Shout out to all the people who have gotten to this stage. Whoop whoop. Okay. Check his folders just out. What is this? There we go. Pretty sure this is SSH. Someone had the IP. I'll just take it here. Whoop. Okay, perfect. Let's save that here. Add credentials, SSH, Alex, password. Add credentials for later. Okay, so we're on the machine. Let me just check out if there's something else here. Let's see if there's something. I mean, hey, you never know, right? What am I doing? Okay. That's it, right? I don't think there's anything. Wait, there was something with. I mean, we are on the machine. There's nothing else that could be too interesting for us. Probably here we find the user.txt. That's the first flag. There we go. How long? It took us longer than 20 minutes at least. So can we get root flag before my course starts in 20 minutes? Whew, okay. I'm gonna cheat. Let's get Linpace on here. I don't know. I like seeing others who use Kali. People bashing on others for using it confuse me. Why should people bashing on others for using Kali? I mean, it's just Linux distro. It's nothing else. Let me do a. Okay. No need for Linpace. What is this? Actually, let me try something. Sorry, chat. Do we have write permissions here? Nope. Wait, it's our file. Don't hate me, okay? I have my reasons. I know for some reason I want to keep this. Wait, give me a second. Can I just do this? Oh no. I don't want to keep this. Wait, is there an easy way in Nano to... Give me a second. Control K? Okay, thanks. I don't know how it works in... Oh, there we go. Pretty sure that should work. Okay. There we go. Whew! Just in time for my course. Okay. There we go. Good job, chat. Good job. Cracked the password, learned what Borg is, installed a bunch of bloatware on our Kali machine that we'll never use anymore. We learned about Squid. This wasn't it. Good work, chat. Proud of you all. So, sorry because it's a shorter stream, but I'm gonna grab a coffee. So, I'm gonna end it soonish. Because, like I said, 10 minutes and my course is starting. Thank you so much for the follow to Strav, and thanks for the follow earlier. I missed that. Oh, there's a few follows. Gaza, McPherson, thank you so much, and Spooky Casper, thank you so much for the follows. So yeah, that was the Cyborg machine. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Nothing too crazy, but really fun. A bunch of different stuff, backupping, kind of realistic if you set up stuff in a weird way, I guess. I've seen crazier stuff on production machines, so yeah, it's a cool machine. Give it a try. Yeah. Okay, let's go back to ugly windows. Again, thank you so much. If you wanna, so at the moment I have shorter streams because I'm in the middle of preparation for my exams. So really quick, shorter streams. Usually I stream much longer. I'm probably gonna do a slightly longer stream on the weekend. If you want to be updated when I stream, it's going to be mainly about hacking, learning stuff. Oftentimes TryHackMe, Hack the Box, and after my exams we gonna tackle a few new topics. Sometimes we also do coding and stuff. Yeah, which exams? I went back to college and I'm doing a bachelor's degree in IT forensics and cybercrime in remote right now. Yeah, so I'm doing that. Yeah, and during the day I work. But yeah, what I wanted to say was, if you want to follow, so there's we have Twitter, Discord is a good place to chat with the other people from the stream, and we also have the YouTube if you want to rewatch this or if you missed anything. So we have it on YouTube, or we have it for I think 1 month as a VOD on Twitch. Yeah, so have a good one. Thanks everyone for tuning in. Yeah, really appreciate it. Thanks for the follows. Really appreciate it. Hope you enjoyed the show, and we should be back tomorrow, but that's not sure. So that's why at the moment there's no proper schedule. But if you want to stay up to date and you want to get notifications, there's always notifications on Twitch, on Twitter, and the Discord. The YouTube. The YouTube is... Wait, I'm gonna send you something in the Twitch chat. I have a link tree now, so if you go to my Twitter. So if you go to my Twitter, I pinned this link tree, so it's easier for everyone to find like the important links. So if you go to my... So there's a link tree now. I'm gonna post that one in chat. It's Linktree Ashfox. There you go. If you open that, that's just my links. So there's Twitter, there's YouTube, there's Twitch. Something's gonna get added in the future. It's gonna be in here, but they have all the buttons that you need. I could do a Discord invite link probably too. It's actually a good idea. But yeah, thank you so much. Should we wait someone, chat? Do we wait someone? Sometimes I wait someone. I try to do it less often because yeah. Waiting is sometimes weird. Also, waiting is broken, pretty much. Wait. Science and technology. Where are we? We are not even on the list, chat. What the? No love. Also, there might be something going on with the YouTube stream. I might not be able to do that in the future. So I might probably not stream on there at the same time. But I will try to upload my VODs on there still. I need to figure something out. But yeah, apparently if you're affiliate, which I am, you're not allowed to do that. So, but yeah, I didn't know that. So, we'll figure something out. Whoop is online. Someone suggested a channel. Let's check that out. Let me just mute it really quick. What are they doing? Let's see. Chat, should we do SQL injection tomorrow and learn? Like I would say, we first learn a bit more about SQL, and then we switch to SQL injection. Oh, nice. Chat, I'm gonna send you over here. Yeah, that's awesome. Sweet setup. Okay. And then after we learn like the normal SQL stuff, we could switch to SQL injection. Depends on the time. Yeah. Okay. Let's give this wonderful individual a warm welcome. Oh, they are not there. Wait, he might come back. Wait, chat. He's gone. He's gone. Let's wait for him. Just so we can say hi. Wait, where is he? He will be back. Okay, let's wait for him. Okay. We probably gonna do the... There he is. We're probably gonna do the SQL then over the weekend. Oh, wait. Let me check my... Really quick something. I have course today and tomorrow, so probably on Friday. We'll figure something out, chat. As always. So, have a good one. I'm gonna send you over. Say hi. He's doing TryHackMe. Yeah. Thanks for tuning in. Bye.